Hello everybody.
Hi, let's talk about new innovation from Domotron, which is Domotron Switch.
This Domotron Switch is used to replace your regular one you have at home to control your light, your blinds, your thermostat, or even your favorite music. Using this, you don't need to buy a new lamp, you can replace the switch and you can make it smart.
On top of that, you can also pair smart devices, such as smart bulbs, radiator valves, or speakers.
Thanks to touchable screens, you can take control or manage several devices at your home at a time from one switch.
Once you have switches installed, you can connect them into a network using Domotron Hub. Hub gives you control, logic, and you can create advanced scenarios with it, so you can make your home really automated.
The whole system contains also mobile app. This app provides you with a timeline that gives you complex information about what's going on at your home, so you don't lose control for a second.